This is one of the reasons why you should download the O3SCHOOLS WAEC CBT app right now and start preparing for your examination. The O3SCHOOLS WAEC app has wonderful features like the past questions feature, the classroom feature with lecture notes, WAEC syllabus, flashcard, video lessons, study plan, as well as question search feature, WAEC challenge, educational games like Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, rich result history and performance analysis, bookmark feature, and so many more. But today, I'm going to major only on the past questions feature. Let's go into the app and let's see. Open the O3SCHOOLS application. Okay, just click on this practice for WAS. Okay, this is WAEC, West African Senior Secondary School Examination. Okay, so that is WACS. Okay, SSCE, WAEC, they're all the same. All right, so click on it. Once you click on it, you can see we have over 27,000 SSC questions and 16,000 theory questions. Okay, objective 20-something thousand, SSC theory questions 16,000. Okay, so let us say you want to practice subjective. Click on objective. You can now select your subject. Okay, you can choose the mode you want. Okay, let's say you want to practice, you want to be on the mock mode. All right, so in the practice mode, all right, you can view your result and correction after submission. In the mock mode, okay, you can only view your result after submission. You will not see correction because it's a mock exam. All right, then for study mode, okay, you can see what your corrections. Okay, you can view and hide your answers. Now click on start. Select your subject first of all. Let's say 5 random subjects. Yeah. Click on OK, and then you start. You can also do other further customization. All right. You can select the year. Okay. You can choose the number of questions you want. Okay. You can also choose to say I do not want to see any question from this particular topic. All right. The app is very flexible like that. Okay. So let's say we want random. I want question from anywhere. You want all the topics, or you want to remove some topics. Click on OK. Okay. Also down here, you can decide to choose any mode you want. Do you want the mock mode, the study mode, or practice mode? Let's say mock, for example. Then you can decide to shuffle question. All right. Once you are done with that customization, click on start at the top here. Once you click on start, all right, your mock starts. All right, so let us just pick random answers. Okay, let us say for economics now. Okay, if you want to switch subjects, at the top here, you can see where the subjects are. The subjects are at the top here. All right, so if you want to switch subject, just click on the subject. Click on it, click on it, click on it. If you want to switch, I want to change question. Okay, use this arrow here, this one here. All right, to switch, to change your question. Okay, so you change your answer. I'm just picking random answers. So before you say Master Tin, no notebook. Okay, so just pick your answer. Once you are done, click on submit below here. You can see submit here. Then, okay, let's do that. Once you click on submit, click on submit. All right, you see this is a very rich result analysis. All right, it tells you what you got in each of the subjects. Okay, it tells you this is a graph of your trend of your performance. These are the topic that questions came from. All right, the number of questions from each of the topic and anyone you got. These are the difficulty level of the questions. Are they advanced questions, or are they basic questions, or intermediate? Okay, so this is what the app gives you in past questions mode. You do not want to joke with it. All right, and also in this past questions, okay, let us now go to, let's say, theory, for example. Okay, select subjects. Okay, you can decide to practice practical. We have practical on the app. Agri practical is there, biology practical is there. Where is chemistry is here. All right, we also have what's it called? We also have physics practical here also. Okay, so you can do whatever you want to do. You can practice any subject you want to subject on the application from the past question mode. Okay, there are so many other features. We're only talking about past question today. So get the app today and start your way to success. Wish you all the best.